Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Today I'm going to show you how I was able to easily complete a warranty claim and exchange for a defective Amazon Blink wireless security camera. If you searched for this information, then you found this video, you're likely familiar with the Blink wireless cameras. What you may not be familiar with is its warranty process and how you can get a warranty claim honored by Amazon, the parent company for Blink wireless cameras. If you're a subscriber to my channel, you've probably seen the review videos I've made for the Blink indoor and outdoor security cameras. That would be the original, the Blink indoor, the white ones, and then the Blink XT outdoors. Now they even have the XT ones, which bring in two-way voice communication, but I haven't gotten to that yet. We're going to save up for that. So anyway, I currently have 6 Blink cameras monitoring my home. I use a mix of indoor and outdoor Blink cameras. Recently, one of my indoor cameras malfunctioned. Simply put, the camera went offline, showed no signs of being able to power back on. Even though the camera was relatively new, my first thought was that the battery died. Before trying to contact Blink's support department, I purchased a brand new pack of Energizer AA lithium batteries. Unfortunately, that did not resolve the problem. I even tried to provide a micro USB power source to the camera, which indoor Blink cameras are capable of using as an alternative to the costly lithium batteries, but that also failed to power on the device, and I was out of ideas. So it was time to contact Blink support and inquire about a warranty exchange. The included warranty with all new Blink camera purchases is 1 year. It's a limited warranty that, if honored, promises to repair or replace the device. There's some information in the warranty description that placed doubt in my head that they'd actually honor the warranty claim. It's been my experience that many companies will offer a warranty on their products, but make it too stringent, costly, complicated, time-consuming, or a combination thereof, which will lead to the customers to just giving up or not bothering with attempting to place a warranty claim. So in particular, the following 2 sentences concern me. It says, "This limited warranty applies only to hardware components of the device that are not subject to accident, misuse, neglect, fire, or other external causes, alterations, repair, or commercial use." The other sentence was, "In general, you will need to deliver the device in either its original packaging or an equally protective packaging to the address specified by customer service." The first sentence made me think that these are the easy ways out for them of honoring the claim. I'll go through the process, spend time, possibly money, returning the defective camera, only for Blink to tell me the defect is my own fault. That's definitely happened to me with other products from other companies. The second sentence led me to believe that an attempt to get my warranty claim on my malfunctioning device is going to cost me money with no guarantee of having both a broken camera and an additional net loss after paying shipping expenses. As pessimistic as I was, I had to give it a try. This add-on camera was purchased less than a year ago, and it cost me $69.99. I wasn't going to just shrug my shoulders and buy another camera without trying to get a warranty claim honored by Blink. Here's how I went about getting a brand new unit shipped at no cost to me, as well as a prepaid label and reusable shipping box to send back the defective unit. I started to search Google for Blink camera warranty to find out if there's a warranty department phone number, email address, or online ticket system to begin the request. This information wasn't clearly laid out. The information I found would direct you to technical support and troubleshooting videos, a Blink community forum, a link to a support ticket system, and a phone number. But none of those options were specifically helpful to my ultimate goal, which was to submit a request for a warranty replacement. The community forum wasn't intuitive at all. After figuring out how to search the community forum and not seeing my answer, not the one that I needed, I thought to begin my own thread and ask for help for my specific situation. To do that, you needed to register, and I wasn't particularly interested in that process. So dialing the technical support phone number, which is 781-332-5465, led to the tedious process of actually connecting to a human, then speaking with someone who had a very heavy Indian accent. As for the troubleshooting videos, having used Blink wireless security cameras for a few years now, I was familiar with this information and it wasn't useful for me. The path I chose, which delivered excellent results, was to submit a support request. If you Google Blink submit request, the first organic search result should deliver the link to that page. Along with the basic information like my name, email address, etc., I entered in an easily to understand subject, a detailed description of the device malfunction, and an explanation of my efforts already to troubleshoot, my purchase location, which was Amazon, and my camera serial number. I also attached a photo of the camera with the back removed, which showed the unit and the serial number. Being this detailed, I hope to prevent canned replies, which would certainly advise me to perform troubleshooting techniques, which I'd already attempted. So this turned out to be a smart move. Almost immediately, our conversation led to a request for my home address, then a notification that a replacement unit, along with a prepaid return label for the defective unit to be sent back, were on the way to me. And as you can see here, I got it. So that's my experience with getting a replacement Blink camera for a unit that was defective or malfunctioning. I hope that this story helped you out. Have you had an experience with a defective Blink camera? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. And as always, I'd be grateful if you liked and shared this video. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews, and I thank you for watching.